The 50-liter TSA Carry-On Backpack expertly designed to accommodate a wide range of travel needs, offering an impressive level of versatility and convenience for both men and women. This backpack features a TSA-friendly design with a 180-degree zipper closure, allowing travelers to pass through security quickly and efficiently. Its expandable capacity provides ample space, easily transforming from a standard size to 45 liters, making it suitable for trips ranging from 3 to 7 days. Constructed from water-resistant polyester fabric, the backpack is durable and protects your belongings while offering a USB charging port for on-the-go convenience. The convertible design allows it to transition seamlessly between a backpack and a briefcase style, providing a flexible carrying experience for any type of journey. Equipped with 3 storage bags and multiple compartments, it ensures organized packing with dedicated spaces for clothes, shoes, toiletries, and other essentials.